What's going on, guys? Tech King with King City Customs here. Don't mind the noise, we got work going on in the background. But if you guys remember, a few months back when we first got the shop, I released a video on YouTube talking about how to make your own dowel rods, like bracing for boxes. I wanted to do an update on that. I've come up with it's not as cost effective, but it's much stronger way to create bracing. And basically what I do is I buy a 2x4 by whatever, 2x4 by 8s in this instance. I cut it in half long ways, so like where I'll have two almost completely square pieces. And here, I'll show you one that I've got over here. Let's see. So right here is my 2x4 that I've cut in half. This way, it was, the 4. About 1 3/4 inches does it. Then we come over to the chop saw and we chop it down to size for what we need. So like right here, we've got 4 for the boxes we're building today. So real quick, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come over here to the router table and I'm going to put a round over bit in here, and we're gonna round these over. I don't like any harsh edges inside a box that can be avoided, and this is a real simple hard edge to avoid. Just a little bit of time to round over, and we'll do a little bit of sanding. Even after we get it rounded over, we're gonna sand them still, just make them nice and smooth, and that ought to do it. Alright, so now as you guys can see, I've got this essentially 2x2, essentially, the edges are nice and rounded over. It is still a little rough, and it's got a little tiny bit of a lip still, because I wasn't going for perfection, because I knew I was going to sand. So I'm going to take this in. You can't even see it, I can just feel it, so like it's not that bad. But I'm going to take some 80 grit and just sand her down nice and smooth, and then they'll be good to go. Thank you guys for watching, and have a loud time.